Hello people. Today I wanted to show you how to properly import your scene when you work, when you have backup project and whole project on your local hard drive. Because I know from a way of importing the scene, it may be useful for you, especially when you keep whole project on your local hard drive. Oh, I will have to get rid of this and we will copy current project. This one has been updated. I will show you how to import, but for now I will show you what will happen if you import this scene without modifying project, because that is actually important. For example, I will import for you, but it will not work, and I will show you how to import properly. Wait, it's not what you're supposed to do, because this doesn't belong to hard drive. This belongs to hard drive D. Normally, you wouldn't import this thing, but I will show you better way of importing the thing to different hard drives. If you want to work on a newer hard drive, we have to delete file scenes XML. Check. I will check how many files I have got here, and this file, and later on, after when we done this, we will have to tell a program how to import your separate files, because I'm still working on my new animation. You go to File, Preferences, Custom. We will have to select our location for this program to import files. I think, as far I know, select. Oh, wait a minute. Did I do this? Yes, I think we have to select this. Let me to check how many files I have got here. I think I have to go. I have to check something. Oh, because I have separate file here. I will have to probably select that catalog. I don't know if this will work or not, because other files are located in the folders. They are here. Hopefully, I will be able to import separate files after that. I believe I believe that program should be able to import files. Project management, project settings. Why is it showing? I already selected this. I think new project. When you work with new project, then you have to select this and option up and 2024, because we have current new date. I must check if program will be able to import separate files. Uh, but, But the issue is, most of the files are unfortunately located here. I'm a little bit worried what I should do. Mm, we will see what happens after when I select this, because I will probably be able to import some other files in separate folders. I will see what happens. Now did the scene. Oh, we have issue what I was talking about. I done this wrong. You have to exactly tell program to import from this catalog. Let's check if I have got XML files. They will come up. So I done this wrong. So you have to tell the program about this catalog here. Otherwise you won't be able to import files. Preferences, custom. Because we have some other projects, but you have to focus on that scene. But you have to quit application. Sorry with me, I have chosen wrong folder. I thought I was able to import some other separate files, but you can only import files from that folder where your project is. Project management, new project. Wait a minute. Why don't I see this? Project new project settings. Okay, everything seems to be okay, but this doesn't work as I was thinking. Maybe because I didn't select this. I should get rid of this. I just check for XML files. We have to remove this and tell program once again, because you can only import from one folder all separate files. I thought I was able to import other files only from one folder. Preferences. Sorry, my fault. Okay, only this where you have your separate files, and after that program will see new catalog. I know it's a little bit tricky, but I done this in the past, but this tutorial is a little bit better. Okay, we have catalog, that one, the last one, what I was talking about. Okay, now we will open files. Because you have to tell program where do you want to import files from. And after when you import files from, you will be able to save the scene from early. Only after that, you can load the scene from early. And then you can use option save all. But make sure when you go to project management, the scene is located in a new directory. And we have got our files. Nothing is missing. Everything is okay. I still have to finish my project. I wanted to mention something. I have got separate layers. The third layer is additional layer if you want to improve something important to ACT. I wish OpenToonz had layers like Krita, depending what module are you working with. When you go to drawing, we have got raster level, Toonz raster level, Toonz vector level, and they differ from each other. They are different from each other. And we have TIFF format and PNG and TFI format. Okay, another thing is import export. We have to tell the program how to import FFmpeg, FFmpeg codec if you want to render the scene properly. Allow multi-thread in FFmpeg rendering. This works okay. I didn't have any issue with that. And now we will test the program. Also, if you want to change opacity of this of the character, what you done previously, you can go to File Preferences, Onion Skin, and set higher value to 90. Or you can either change color, and it will be then very visible. But you have to press enter 90%. Now we have that color. And I'm showing you straight away how to cope with that program. We also have how do they call it in English? I've forgotten. Templates. You can use templates if you work with onion skin. So you can see multiple things. You can also set. You can also change. Use option shift and trace. Wait a minute. How I am supposed to move this? What was keyboard shortcut for moving this? Edit shift. Wait a minute. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm showing. If I click on that, you can see what has been drawn in forward frame. That one is showing you what you done in previous frame, and you create blank frame. Another thing is you have to add a color card when you want to render to one of the formats. For example, oh no, I didn't restart program. So you can see other important formats. I will quit program and I will open up the scene once again. Because I decided to publish video tutorial once again. So we will see additional formats when you go to render output settings. That one is important because it doesn't have doesn't take too much space, but you have to add the color card effects editor. I also, when you double click, has to have a white color. Without it, you will have black background if you don't add the color card FX. I hope you like my video tutorial, and I would like to draw something for you. Just quickly, medium size. We have plenty of different brushes I want to mention to you. So you will be interested if you are artist and you paint a lot. You have plenty of the brushes. Plenty. And this is a free application. And I like using it. Okay, I don't use the tablet. I try to draw something interesting. Oh no, I was supposed to draw one position of the hand. Sometimes I prefer to use manga how to draw, because I got specialized book how to draw some of the positions of the hands. Okay, we can turn this off and we can save the scene. Nothing will be missing in our project. This will be located in the same directory, my friends. That is why I was publishing this video tutorial. Where that hand is. Wait a minute. Oh, very strange, because I have got some separate files here. They shouldn't, they shouldn't be here, but that's fine. As long as you selected main catalog where your separate files are, you should be able to import your project without any issues. This is because I work in different format. And where did I have Picasa? I could show you Picasa picture viewer, PNG format, and I have got JPG. I completely forgotten. Now this is because I was rendering the scene. I was rendering the scene to JPG format. You can render to JPG as well. So you don't have to worry about collapsing the layers, because there is option I forgotten to mention that. Sorry, I completely forgotten to talk about to tell you about this. We have Targa TFI format. We have got MP4, QuickTime format, and JPG as well. But we have got separate files here. This is what we have got. That is why I couldn't import my project, because all the files are separate. OpenToonz does not save your project to single file.